Right, welcome back to Some Crypto. In today's content, guys, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about Ethereum. We're gonna talk about Litecoin and also Bnb. We're gonna take a look at all of these coins on the macro scale, and we're also gonna take a look at them on the we're gonna take a look at them on the lower degree and all of that good stuff. All right. So as we said previously, Bitcoin, on the 14th, 15th, right, the Valentine sell-off. What we said was like Bitcoin, it is still very, very bullish. So no need to be panicking. We most likely going to hit a 53 to 56,000 area, right? And as you can see right now, we already breaking out on a 2-day basis, guys. Yesterday I gave my premium group an update regarding the breakout and why we're going to be breaking out on within the next 24 hours and all of that good stuff. And that's what we're getting right now. It is very, very crucial to understand what's going on the macro level before you basically be panicking on every sell-off and all of that good stuff. All right, so make sure to smash the likes, right? Join my public Telegram group, link in the description. We got over 800 traders, guys, almost 900 traders, very active, many moon boys and some few doom boys, okay? Some few doom boys, but everybody moon boys right now, right? So make sure to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. Also the Discord public group in the description if you're looking to join my premium group for daily analysis, price target, Bnb. We bought Bnb $30, $40. Right now it is $160. Okay, those type of move. Okay, like Kusama, okay, from like a $30-$40 all the way up to like nearly over $250, all of that good stuff, right? So if you're looking to join the premium group for those juicy targets and all of those big moves, you can definitely send me a message so you can access my premium updates and all of that good stuff, right? So now make sure to hit the likes, guys. We got 36 watching, 15 likes. So if you enjoy the content, make sure to don't forget to hit the likes, right? So I mean if you watch my previous short-term update, one of the reasons why I did not give any updates over the last few days is like I gave you guys everything you needed to know, okay? Like on my previous short update. So make sure to subscribe, right? Hit the likes and hit the notification so you can get those updates, because I explained to you guys we're gonna be breaking out. I'm not bearish at all, okay? And also I showed you like why not Bitcoin, Ethereum going to hit like a 2211 and all of that good stuff. So it is playing out beautifully, so no need to make any noise talking about the same stuff every single day. You see what I'm saying? So I think like the daily update sometime it is just going to create noise. As long as you know the direction, right, that's the most important, okay? And the macro level is very, very important for Bitcoin, right? So just to basically keep an eye on the macro level, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin on the 2-day basis, okay? So what I said yesterday during my premium update was like I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Why am I so bullish on Bitcoin at 50K? Most bears, okay, most bulls, if you watch like any bulls right now over the last 2 days, they've been saying, probably, I didn't watch anyone, right? But knowing like the market sentiment, they're gonna be like, oh, we hit 50K, now we're gonna be dropping down to 42 and all of that good stuff, okay? But what I was saying is like, yes, we got a chance to drop down to 42, but I would give like the the uptrend 80% chance. Okay, that was my thought process. Why am I giving like the the bulls 80% chance to break above 50K? If you take a look at it right here, okay, so if you take a look at it right here, we created a 2-day bullish breakout. Okay, you go back right here, okay, if you traded this range 20K to 24K, you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So we got a 2-day breakout right there. All right, if you take a look at the previous move we got right here, okay, just about like a 14K breakout. As soon as we broke 14K, I was looking for like 19K, because the 2-day breakout basically was not playing. All right, after we broke out on the 2-day basis, what we did was like BTC created a small wedge pattern, okay, right here, wedge pattern, right? beautiful wedge pattern. Okay, even right here, after we broke out up to basically 24k, BTC created a small wedge pattern also right here. Okay, you could call it a flat on a lower degree, but it is a wedge pattern. All right, so another wedge pattern on a after the 2-day breakout right here. Okay, right there. So, and we also getting another, okay, we got another wedge pattern right here after a 2-day breakout right there. So most people are going to be like, oh, wedge pattern going to be dropping to the downside and all of that good stuff. But I was not going with the bearish pattern. Yes, it could have dropped right to the downside, but I just gave the bulls 80% chance to break out to the upside. Now, short-term target we're going to be looking for, it is almost like 53. We're almost at, you know, target 53 to 56 area, right? But we're going to extend it to the upside because the juicy move I'm going to be looking for, it is almost over 60,000, right? Guys, we talked about 80,000 BTC a long time ago, so it's not like you know, any of these targets. You should be surprised about any of these targets. So we talked about 80,000 BTC when BTC was 20k, guys, 20k. All right, when everybody was expecting BTC to drop down to 15k, you know, 10k, and all of that good stuff. I was not looking down. Okay, so what we're gonna be looking for is like, remember, guys, what we did right here, right? Swing low to swing high, right? To swing high again, right? Remember, right? What we said. Remember, guys, what we said. We're gonna hit what, 42 to 44 area, which was what, 1.1 extension, guys. 1.1 extension, 1.618 extension to the upside. It is going to be at almost 70,000. Okay, 70,000. So that. It is a potential target, 70,000. If you want to do it 1-to-1 extension based on breakout area, that's fine. If you want to do it based on right here, let's take a look at it. If you want to do it based on support level, you can also do it like that. Okay, based on support, right? Instead of right here, let's take a look at this support right here. Okay, if you put it right here, just about 16k, right? 1.618 extension going to be just about like you know, 55. Okay, just about 55, right? So another way of doing it is also like, you could just take the previous move right here, right, from the swing low 16 up to 44, right, and down right here. Okay, down to like you know, 28.8. So the swing low was 16k, swing high 44, another swing low down to like a 28.8 range. We are already breaking this range of 0.618, 1-to-1 extension going to be almost 73, and 0.786 going to be almost 60k. So it doesn't matter how you do it, right? It doesn't matter how you do it. All those fib levels, okay, they're calling for average range 65 to 65 to 70k area. Okay, so I'm just going to be looking for mid-range 66 after we break you know, 56. 66 after we break you know, 56k area. All right, we got some target to the upside, guys, but we gotta break you know, 66 first before we talk about 80k area. But ultimate target, guys, it is going to be 80k and higher. Okay, we could get there before the summer, but let's just see what the bulls gonna be doing. All right, another interesting thing also we talked about on a 2-day basis was like, if you take a look at it, guys, the sell volume at the top, when you're making a bull flag, one thing to keep an eye on is like your sell volume. It is very, very important, guys. A low sell volume during a bull flag, it is very bullish. Okay, so you take a look at it right here, low sell volume, another bull flag right here also at the end, right? At the apex, we got a low sell volume. That was very, very bullish. That's one of the reasons, guys, I was not looking for anything below 30k. We weren't looking for anything below 30k. Could it drop? Okay, yes, it could have dropped. Okay, but I was not ready for, you know, anything below 30k area, and we basically been looking to the upside, right? So yes, so now let's go ahead and take a look at a BTC on a weekly basis, right? Yep, that's target right here. So 55 to 56. So on the 7 days basis, guys, I told you get something very important. Don't pay attention to the weekly time frame all the time, right? If you paid attention to the weekly time frame, you wouldn't be bearish. And what we said on Monday, Valentine sell off, right? We said Monday sell off, it is always bullish. Okay, I give you guys multiple reasons to be bullish, right? On Monday sell off, on a Monday sell off, right? Right here we talk about, right? Right there we also talk about, right, was a Monday. We experienced a big sell-off on Monday, right? We said buy the dip. We got like 4 or 5 more days to flip the trend. Right now we're already flipping the trend, so I don't see anything crazy unless we get a blow off top, right? Blow off top, pump all the way up to like a 65 70k by Sunday, right? And then get rejected and drop right back down below 50k. That's going to be very bearish, but I don't think like it's going to be like that, right? But let's just see if we're going to be able to break above 55 56 area over the next like a few days and so on, right? So guys, make sure to smash the likes if you just join the Send Crypto live stream. Make sure to smash the likes. So pretty bullish, guys, pretty bullish. So 7 days chart right here, candle open just about the 12 as we said, right? We said it's gonna close on the 19th, but we gotta be cautious because if we close on the 19th, right, remember the 19th going to be in 2 days, right? It is gonna be Friday. The 19th going to be Friday, but the weekly candle gonna close when, guys? Sunday. So, and why am I telling you all these dates is like, even though I'm very bullish, I just want to be cautious regarding the 50-day cycle. Okay, the 50-day cycle, guys, we're gonna get a full body candle on the 50-day cycle. And I told you guys, when the cycle reset a couple weeks ago, right, drop all the way down to what, 58, guys, you could have doubled your money right here. We said buy the dip. Don't be shorting this sucker like below 30k, because the 50-day cycle is not going to close below what? It is not going to close below 30k. That's it. I was like 90% confident BTC, okay, will not close below 30k before when? Before when, guys? February 19th, right? Very, very important. We talk about it, guys. We said we're not going to close below 30k. So as you can see right here, we're almost like 100% up, guys, since I told you basically buy the dip, guys. All you have to do is just suck it up, hold on to your BTC and not try to short this sucker and expecting like 24 and all of that good stuff. Take a look at it, guys. You are looking for 13%, 10% move to the downside, but take a look at it, man. You just suck it up and then you double your money. Okay, so sometimes you just have to be rational instead of looking for like 10% drop 25k, right? When BTC was 30k, you could just suck it up, right? Suck it up and say, hey man, I'm looking for a 20% drop. However, this guy, even if I buy it at 25, the potential move, it is like over like 100% all the way up to 80k. Okay, so I just gotta suck it up and not try to short this sucker. Most bears, guys, they're gonna get wrecked. Okay, that's just the truth. Okay, they're gonna get wrecked because whenever we hit like a psychological number 50k, they're gonna be like, oh, we're gonna drop 60k. They're gonna be like, oh, we're gonna drop 70k. They're gonna be like, oh, we're gonna drop, and all of that good stuff. These guys gonna get wrecked, man. So they're gonna see gems at the water cooler very soon, man. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Hey KP, thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. So yeah, the 50-day cycle, guys, I think that's the only chance, right, the bears got right now to strike down. And this sucker is so bullish. Like this 50-day cycle is 100% up, guys. Take a look at it right here. That's one of the most bullish cycle right now, nearly. Okay, if we hit 60k, right, just about my target 56, right, it's gonna be 100% up from top to bottom, guys. That's very bullish. I don't see like bears wiping out the entire bullish candle like in 50 days or so. Okay, so I don't think like we're gonna wipe it. We're gonna wipe down wipe out the the entire bullishness in like within the next quarter. Can we drop? Yes, we can drop, like, but I don't think like we're gonna close below 30k, okay, before like April 11th. So any dips right here, after the candle open, it is gonna be a buy. I'm very bullish. Okay, The only reason I'm going to be bearish is like if we get a close next candle, I mean next 50-day cycle, get a close at 30 or below, okay, like before April 11th, okay, next cycle going to close April 11th, April 10th, right? I'm going to be bearish, okay. However, anything in between 30k to 60k, it is going to be a buy. That's it, man. Easy, right? No question asked. So we're going to talk about Ether. So we're done with Bitcoin. We know we're looking for 56, right? After that, we're going to be looking for mid 60k, and after that, we're going to go for another update for the potential move to 80k. The move to 80k, guys, once again, it's not going to be easy, right? Because we could get some sell-off within the next like a few weeks, so just keep that in mind. But once again, guys, that sell-off is not a bear sell-off. It is just a correction. Once again, it is just going to be a correction. My market is still bullish, all right? It is still bullish, at least for me, all right? I'm bullish. You can be bearish if you want to, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at BNB, guys. BNB, if we go back to my premium group, right? If you go back to what I showed you guys back in December, okay, December 17, guys, in my public Telegram group, I sent you a BNB macro view, and I told you BNB, it is gonna pump all the way up, guys, to nearly 275. Okay, that was like not this one. Let's go back and recheck it. Don't mess with Send Crypto macro view. I'm telling you guys, don't mess with Send Crypto. So what we said regarding BNB right here, okay. What we said regarding BNB, okay, was like let's go back, okay. Okay, so right here, so right here, that's XRP, that's BNB, okay. So BNB 50-day cycle, if you take a look at it, the price of BNB was what, guys? Right here was $30, okay, $30, right? Now I showed you guys, if we break above like $30 on a 50-day cycle, right, sucker gonna pump all the way up. What we said, first target 55, second one we're gonna be looking for just about like 112, and we're gonna be looking for 275. We got 1.27 extension almost at $900, okay, but I want to see how we're gonna break 275 first, right? And I'm gonna upgrade the next upside potential above 275. But the main thing is like being able to buy the dip right here when BNB was moving sideways. We said sucker gonna be very very bullish, okay. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the Bnb chart right now before we talk about Ether. So make sure to hit the likes, guys. So if you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the likes. All right, so let's do this. Let's see, man, this guy. Okay, so BNB 50-day cycle right here. So if you take a look at it right there, okay, so we already hit our 112 target, right there. We got another target up to 270, 245 to 275 there. That's a 50-day cycle, guys. So it is not something like we're expecting to reverse like in like a week or so. Any dips within like this cycle, it is going to be a good buy. I don't think like we're going to drop back down to like a cycle open at $30 at any time soon, okay. So any dips right now for BNB on a macro scale, it is going to be a good buy. So a big volume right here. You take a look at the volume, it is one of the biggest volume over the last like 3 years, since like 2018. this 50-day cycle is no joke, guys. It is gonna pump so hard. I think like BNB, once again, it is going to be a hold all the way up to basically over $500. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at it once we break above 275. So that's all I wanted to cover for BNB, because I don't have anything to say regarding BNB, guys. We've been so bullish on it, so just hold on to the cycle, right? So hey, what's up, Creed? Thanks a lot for tuning in. So let's go ahead and move on to Ethereum, and I'm gonna take a look at I'm gonna basically take your request, right? And after we talk about Ethereum, so BNB, yep, BNB BTC, as I told you also, right? BNB BTC right here, our target was what? Our target was like 177,000, right? And we broke above it. What I said was like, just give it, give it like few days to give you a, correction, and you can take the breakout. As you can see right here, if you paid clear attention to BNB, low sell volume, while price action is creating a bull flag. It is always a strong uptrend. Okay, it is always a signal for a strong uptrend. Okay, so BNB BTC, it is still very, very bullish. So BNB, it is a good hold over the next like a few weeks, few months, okay, throughout the bull market, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum. So Ether, let's talk about Ether BTC first, because Ether BTC, as long as Ether BTC is dropping, Ether USD is likely to be in trouble. Okay, so if you see like Ethereum struggling while BTC is going up, what first thing you need to do, right, is like check Ether BTC. As you can see right now, I was expecting Ether BTC to break out. However, right, it is not breaking out. It is dropping all the way down to a 382. So now the move I was looking for is like this double top, double bottom right here. But we broke out to the downside, eliminate the bullishness right here on the top with this double top, double bottom formation. We can definitely look at it differently, which is like a potential ABC correction right here. Okay, all the way down to the 100 EMA, and we're going to be looking for the next move back up to like a 0.05 BTC. Okay, that way the previous move going to be a nice 5-way structure, right? 5-way structure, and that's going to be our ABC right here, and we're going to be looking for this move to be impulsive, right? Remember, guys, same thing. Remember what when Ethereum was at 750, right? When Ethereum was 750, you take a look at it right here, BTC was breaking out, right? Back then, right? Late December, BTC was breaking out, but Ethereum was breaking down, and Ethereum USD was not moving at all. What I said, guys, once we hit 0.023, bang, bang, we're gonna pump. So right now, I don't see any sign of a pump, like a strong pump. The only thing I can see is like we at 382, and we also got a 100 EMA. We got our 100 EMA at 382. So that's a nice confluence we're going to be paying attention to. It might not be a straight line. It could be also a double bottom right here. It could be a double bottom right here, okay, before the pump to the upside. So we're just going to watch Ethereum. Ethereum is not going to pump until we bullish versus BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? Because BTC already pumped like nearly 20%. Okay, so Ethereum, if it pumps like right here, it could pump 30% from like 1800, guys. You think about it, guys. We're gonna hit our target 22 to 24. All right, so easy, okay, easy, right? So let's take a look at Ether USD right now. So Ether USD wedge pattern, right? Sucker gonna break out so hard, right? We got our target 2211, 2353. We talked about it last time when Ether was dumping. What we said, guys, buy this sucker on the 8-hour basis. We're not breaking the 21 EMA, so it looks pretty juicy. We just need a 6-hour bullish crossover, right, to confirm the bullishness right here. So if like we can get the 6-hour bullish crossover right there, that could potentially confirm the end of the correction, right? We did have one right here, but did not break the resistance line. So this time we're probably going to be breaking out nicely. Okay, we're probably going to be breaking out nicely. Market sentiment is back to bullishness. So I think like bull's gonna take care of business if we get this bullish crossover. Okay, in case of a fake out, we got our 100 EMA right here. Okay, we got our 100 EMA just about 1600 right now, right? So it is a win-win situation for the bulls. A drop going to be bought up, a pump to the upside going to be take profits. That's it, right? Easy, right? Let's see guys, let's go back to the chat room. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Litecoin next, right? Litecoin, guys, I'll give you a Litecoin update, a macro update, guys. It is not a you know 10 days update. It is just like what I told you. It is the same thing as I told you with Bnb. When Bnb was not moving $30 to $40, guys, I was not looking for $50, $60. I was looking for 175 and up. Okay, Litecoin, I'm not looking for anything, okay, below 300. Yes, we got short-term target, right? But for those hurdlers, okay, Litecoin gonna hit $2,000. That's it, easy, all right? So I think like selling our Litecoins, anything below $700 going to be a waste of time, right? It's kind of like selling your Ethereum at 700, 800. When I was telling you guys, sucker gonna basically pump, even though, right? Yes, I know. I was bearish on Ethereum, $200, $300, but after we broke out above 350, I was looking for those big numbers. Okay, so something to keep in mind, right? So Litecoin, short term, gonna be looking for like a 288 to $300 range, right? But the macro picture, guys, the macro picture for Litecoin, it is clean, no noise, right? Everything is juicy, everything is moving to the upside, even though you might be very disappointed and saying, oh, Litecoin is not moving, everything is moving. But guys, if you take a look at Litecoin over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21 days candle, guys, Litecoin been green. Okay, for the last 721 days candle, right? Litecoin been green. So it's nothing you can say, all right? So you just cannot say, oh, it's not moving fast. Yes, it is not moving fast, but it is moving up. That's the most important. That is the most important. We got a nice resistance right here. A nice, you know, man, beautiful. Take a look at this, guys. This is so beautiful, man. That's so beautiful, man. That is beautiful, guys. So even if you're going to be looking for a potential one-to-one extension, guys, of this breakout right here, right, on the linear scale, right, on the linear scale, right, it's going to take us right around like 480. Okay, 480 if you're using like Poloniex. But you know, guys, we're not looking for 480, guys. We're going to be looking for this sucker right here, 2350. Okay, the biggest resistance we could get, I don't think it is going to be all-time high, but it is going to be like 850, which is like 0.786 extension. Okay, let's check points. 0.618, it is already at all-time high, so we're not going to worry about 0.618. We're going to be looking for points, you know, 0.786 up to basically 840. So Litecoin got another 4x move, all right? So I'm going to take a look at your request, and we're going to call it a day. So if you have any requests, right, let me know before, you know, we call it a day, right? So ETC, I'm bullish on ETC also, right? Ethereum Classic, I don't care about fundamentals. You know, I like the chart, right? Doesn't look bad. One thing you just have to be cautious. If you trade in it, it has some nasty wicks. So just be cautious with that, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the ETC USD first. ETC USDT. I think the BTC pair is better, but short-term trader I was looking for yesterday for a premium it is still in play, like a 15.5 to a 17 area. If you're looking for a short-term trade, nice beautiful flag, low sell volume, broke out the wedge pattern. Definitely you know, bulls got a good chance, right, to get this going right here. Next, it already hit nearly like a 15.7. Okay, when we talked about it last night, it was like I think 14, 14.2, 14.3 right here. So it broke out, and we're gonna be looking for the next one up to 17. Okay, so the on the higher time frame, on a 2-day basis, so we just need to break on a 2-day basis. We just need to break a 16.5, 16.7. It close above it. Candle gonna close like in 3 hours. So let's see if bull's gonna be able to push through and close above it. But even if they don't close above it, the trend, it is still pretty strong, pretty bullish, and most likely bull's gonna find a way to keep up the momentum, right? So Ether BTC, ETC BTC, pretty let's see. So ETC Ethereum Classic, BTC, now we got rejected right here by the daily 2-day 100 EMA, right? A close above it, it is going to go very fast, so expect like some you know, some tough time to break above like the 2-day 100 EMA. All right, if we break it, it is going to be it is going to move very fast. Okay, remember back in like July, August, September, something like that, right? I was telling you, if these suckers pump above the 3-day 100 EMA, they tend to move very fast. Okay, same thing. Okay, right now what they're doing is like they pump above the daily 100 EMA and they retest it. Okay, most of them, right? That's a new trend right now. If you basically pay attention to most of these alt BTC, they pump strongly above the 2-day 100 EMA, right? Like Ethereum Classic, you know, you can go check it. Neo, you know, Tezos, you know, you name it. Okay, all of them, most of them, right? So it could also move sideways right here just to double bottom and pump to the upside if you want to take a look at it on the daily basis. But you're gonna get less noise watching it on the 2-day basis, right? Look for a breakout above it. That's it. Any dips back down to the 21 EMA, right? 2-day basis going to be a strong bang. Okay, first target to look for 45,000, 55,000, right? If you want to be very bullish, you can wait for 130,000. Okay, it's gonna get there at some point, right? So it is just going to be a matter of time, right? So next one we're going to take a look at, it is going to be XLM. XLM definitely going to hit $1, right? It is just a matter of time. But I would be paying attention to XLM BTC. Why XLM BTC? Because we haven't retested yet 16,000 to 18,000 level, which is like to 2019 resistance. I talked about it previously when we were so bullish on XLM right here. Remember guys, we traded XLM from like 400 sats to up to like 1100 sats. Okay, it was like 2x, right? We said you know, we potentially could pump to 1600, but market decided to dip like mid-August. But XLM started dipping like from mid-July. Okay, hold on one second. All right, so XLM decided to dip. XLM was one of the first ones to start dipping mid-July. Okay, but the rest of the alt, they started dipping right here, right there. Okay, right here mid-August. All right, so but XLM a big pump. We could get a big pump above 1100, and the next correction level going to be 18 to 1600 range, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at a file BTC. Opa Uma, thanks a lot for tuning in. Opa Uma in my premium group, right? So you know, So let me know if you have any requests. I can take a look at it also for you, right? So if you take a look at a file BTC, it is a premium target. So you're looking to get this move. We been bullish on file, like right here. I was watching file closely, guys. It wasn't a random target. Okay, I've been watching this sucker since December, so I know exactly every single move this sucker is doing. Okay, that's why I gave it to you guys when it was time to for the breakout. Okay, so right here we said it is going to break out right there, and we're going to get the correction. As you can see, bang, guys, I didn't even touch anything. All I said, we're going to correct right here before the next move to the upside. Right now you can see we got our 21 EMA support right here. Just expect like a potential triangular formation right here, just like Kusama just broke out, guys. We talked about Kusama, and Kusama was like $40. Okay, we said we're gonna pump all the way up to $100. Okay, $100, we say we're gonna pump to 190, 180. We hit our target, and now we got another target to the upside. Similar structure. It might not pump right away if you're patient enough, right? If bulls are patient enough, they can basically just suck it up and wait for the big move first. Okay, you might buy it within the triangle, right? That way, when sucker pump and retest it, you're not gonna worry. You see what I'm saying? So buying it inside the triangle is safer, because we already got a big move right here on the daily basis. Big breakout, very aggressive. So it brings confidence, right? Most bulls are pretty much very confident with this bull, big breakout. So, and we're going to be looking for, nearly 170,000, okay, over the next like a few weeks, right? So a good hold, right? So file USD, same thing. It is moving sideways. Was expecting this move, right? So first target, actually I was very conservative, like with file quoting for like a 37, but it's like a pump all the way up to $50. So but we got another target to the upside up to 60, over $60, right? So it is still a good hold, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at RAND BTC. RAND, I think it is try to break the trend line. Let's double check. RAND BTC. Yeah, RAND BTC. It is trying to break this trend line. It is going to break out pretty much just like Kusama, right? Beautiful bull flag right here. Not a big sell volume, right? So sell volume pretty not low, but it is okay. Low volatility. You can see like MACD is not making any sort of big move. So just pretty consolidated. Okay, so we're going to be looking for the breakout to the upside. A retest of 16,000 going to be definitely a buy, right? Up to basically it is actually 1,600 all the way up to basically 3,000 area, right? So RAND, it is pretty jullish, okay, with this bull flag. Okay, we just don't want to break, once again, we don't want to break below 1,000. Okay, that might change the entire structure, right? But as of now, since like market is bullish, we just suck it up, right? We could just suck it up. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at Monero for Upper Uma. Monero, sucker is very jullish also. Looking for actually some crazy target above $400. So Monero pretty jullish on the daily. We already got the breakout, so upside target to look for really for Monero. Let's do this. I think it's upper Uma. We got target for Monero in our premium, so you definitely can go ahead and I already pinned it, so you can just go ahead and check it, right? But Monero already broke the resistance level on a daily basis, so it is a good hold. Low sell volume right here, so nothing to worry about, guys. That's why I'm telling you guys, a 3-day sell-off, low sell volume, it is going to be a buy the dip. Most people have been panicking, even in my premium. Some people have been panicking, but I told them, guys, this type of sell-off gonna happen. Okay, every 3 weeks we're gonna get a big sell-off. Okay, 25, 30, sometimes even 40% drop. You just gotta be able to say, hey man, what are we getting? Is it a reversal or it is just a correction? Bang, it is a correction, I'm gonna buy the dip. It is a reversal, I'm gonna sell some, right? It is gonna reverse back up and I'm gonna sell some again, right? Gotta understand the difference between reversal and correction. You cannot be panicking whenever market drops like a 15-20%. If that's the case, okay, crypto might not be for you. Okay, it might not be for you, because these suckers are crazy. They're gonna drive you crazy. They're gonna give you crazy gains, right? But they're gonna give you a heart attack, right? So be cautious, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Tezos. Tezos, I like Tezos BTC so better, because it gives you a better structure, right? It doesn't mean like Tezos USD is not bullish, right? But it gives you a better confidence of give you a better confidence. So exactly, that's what I said in my premium, right? We updated Tezos. We said Tezos is right here. We're gonna be looking for a move to the upside. However, guys, you gotta understand correction. Okay, you gotta understand correction. It can still drop even down to like 7,000 area. Okay, which is basically just to retest the support area. But one thing we're gonna focus on, we're just gonna focus on the uptrend. It doesn't matter how low it drops down to this level, right? It's just gonna create this flat correction right here, and then you're gonna basically take it to the upside, right? Next level to look for almost like a 14,000 sats, right? So you take a look at it from current price. Tezos is so bullish. It is gonna basically make a lot of noise over the next, like, it could be in March. Okay, it could be in March, because remember, guys, January was for Ethereum, February, basically Bnb. Okay, March it could be Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Tesla's pumping. Okay, so every month, guys, one of these top coins is going to be going crazy. You just have to be able to anticipate it, right? So that's another, what this sucker is doing right here. It's another 60% move, nearly, okay, 60 to a 70% move over the next few days versus BTC. So a good hold, okay, a good hold. I'm very bullish on Tezos, right? Just like I was bullish on BNB. Bang, okay, 4x in 60 days, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at storage next. So STORJ, it is one of our weekly pick from our premium group, right? So we're still bullish on STORJ, right? STORJ storage could make a big story, right, over the next few days. Okay, we said it can drop back down to the daily 21 or even down to the 2-day 21. Okay, so I was anticipating it, even though it is one of my top pick for this week. And once again, I said it might not even pump this week. It could still correct, just like Kusama, right? It could still do something like this before giving us the big move to the upside. But the main thing is, like, even if it doesn't break out right now, right, it is gonna break out. Okay, we just don't know what type of correction it is gonna give us, but it is gonna break out. So I will be watching it cautiously. Even if we do not break out this week, it is still going to be a good hold all the way up nearly, guys, to 40,000 right now. Not 40,000, but 4,000. Price is at 1,500, guys. That's like almost over 3x, guys. So so storage, it is a good hold, guys. Just like ARC, and Aeon also. Okay, so let's take a look at UMA BTC. UMA BTC, guys, was one of our biggest pump coin. We didn't pump it, but we bought the dip before the pump, just like FTM. Okay, we had the same setup but we had the same setup of regarding UMA and FTM at the same exact time right here. And Tezos also. Tezos was also doing the same thing back then. I was bullish on all three of them, right? All of them was giving me this descending triangle, just like EGLD, right? So I was like, guys, this sucker's gonna pump, right? But guys, sometimes this sucker is going to drive you crazy, right? They're going to give you a beautiful pattern, but they're going to break down, right? And if you don't know what's going on, you're going to be panicking. But take a look at it afterward. Drop down, bang. You see the move we got right here, right? That's what I'm expecting from what? From Tezos, right? From storage, right? And many art like a Filecoin and all of that good stuff, right? So right now it is a good buy. It is back down to the 2-day 21 EMA, low sell volume. Sucker gonna pump so hard, guys, right here, guys. That's very bullish, man. So that's very bullish. So right here, drop down to the daily 2-day 21 EMA with low sell volume, right? Expect this move back up, okay, to retest the top. And if you go ahead and take a look at OST, not OST, but IOST, right? IOST also just broke out, right? If you take a look at IOST, just broke out. What happened back then was like we got similar structure where we got a big move to the upside, and price action just decided to say, hey man, I'm gonna retest my 2-day 21 EMA. So if you've been waiting for IOST to pump, you're gonna be waiting for like 3 weeks from like, you know, January 19th, right, to basically almost like February 12th before you get another pump, right? That's very it is a very long time, right, while everything is pumping. So wait for your, most of the time these big pumps, wait for your 2-day 21 EMA to rebuy the dip, okay? Always take profits, okay? Always take profit. IOST, I know none of you guys asking about it, but I'm just gonna give you a quick tip, right? It is gonna pump hard, okay? We got some crazy targets to the upside, up to 160. Remember guys, IOST, what we said was right here in our premium, right? IOST is back to rebuy zone. The buy zone is like what, okay? Just about like a 34, right? To 34 to 27, okay? If it dips lower, suck it up, okay? Right now we at 77 and we already pumped all the way up to 86, guys, okay? So we're looking for nearly, guys, a 8x, 10x move versus BTC. That's nearly going to be like, you know, 30, 40x in dollar pair, okay? So beautiful setup from IOST. So let's go at Bitcoin Cash. So let's go ahead and take a look at Cash. BCH, BTC. So BTC, one thing I told you guys, like I told you before the breakout, BCH was like, I think $450, $500 range. I was like, guys, sucker gonna pump so hard, right? Why it is gonna pump so hard, guys? I keep telling you, we played it before, okay, on Kusama, right, and Bnb before they break out. Same similar setup, okay, same setup, right? We said you got your touch right here, right? One. Why are you doing this? Right here, sucker guy, right here, right? What we said was like, it is a new trend. It could be a new trend, all right? So big breakout, it is still a good hold. Retest of the 21 EMA. So next rejection to look for, it is going to be 0.02 BTC, okay? Which is like, you know, 2% of BTC. So we're going to be looking for right here, right? Another 50% move. Current price, $700, right? 50% of 700, you're looking for another 350, you know, you look at it, you know, it is almost over $1,000, okay? So BNB, look for 850 to 950 range, right? If it goes higher, bang, okay, that's just a plus, right? BCH, not BNB. So we talk about, let's go ahead and take a look at CRO. I don't have any setup for CRO. The chart is just not that juicy. CRO, yeah, CRO, you gotta give it time, guys. You can take a risk, right? Since like market is bullish right now, right? You could take a risk to give it a shot below the 21 EMA. However, guys, you just don't know how long it is gonna last. So that's the thing, okay? Is this the same crypto.com? I mean, crypto.com where you buy these, you know, coins, right? If that's the case, you might just give it a shot, okay? It is still below the, you know, 3-day 21 EMA. It is still below the 2-day 21 EMA. So It could pump at any given time, right? Since market is pumping, so it is a good hold. But in terms of structure wise, you know, in terms of structure wise, we need to break above like 240, 250. Okay, so we're starting to get a big buy volume right here, so we'll just hold it for the next like a few weeks till we get the big breakout. Next resistance after that going to be almost 400 sats, right? Got a small resistance at, you know, 300 sats, right? But I don't have any big target for it right now. I mean, they big target, but what I mean like a big trend reversal, right? A big trend reversal. Let's see what we're gonna get right here, because you just don't know if you're gonna get a flat right here, okay? Do something like that, retest bottom before breaking out, or if you're just gonna get your wedge pattern, a breakout, get your bull flag right here, and then bang. Okay, so I would just basically suck it up. DGB. So DigiByte, I gave you guys DigiByte in our public Telegram group, right? When DigiByte was like 90, and I said like this cycle gonna be going to be the next big thing, right? So it is still a good hold. It is 50% up, guys. It is also a premium target. You see like the same setup we just talked about regarding what this guy right here. You can see like you guys, man, I'm telling you guys, I'm giving you one of the best analysis, right? What I just said regarding this guy was like what we could get a wedge pattern, right? We could get a wedge pattern, right? We could get this move and then the big move to the upside. Go back, if we go back, take a look at DGByte. That's the same setup I have for DGB, right? Not DGB USD, but so that's the same setup. Yeah, that's the same setup I got for DGByte on the high time frame right here, right? So we got target up to 400 and 600, right? But let's go ahead and take a look at DGB. Okay, on Binace, yes. So that's the target I got for. So, but be cautious, okay? Because we haven't retested yet. I mean, we did actually right here, but any dips again down to the 2-day 21 EMA, which is like 106 right now, it is going to be a buy, right? But as of now, if we break the 100 EMA on a 2-day basis, it could be a good buy call, okay? It could be saying goodbye, I'm done, okay? I'm not going to drop again, right? Beautiful setup, right? So I think the Kyber USD is what I was thinking on when I was just talking about this coin, and I was like, it is ready to break the resistance. I think it's KNC USDT. Let's double check. Yes, I think it is KNC USD where we got the small resistance, right? Yeah, that's KNC USD. Yeah, KNC, we're gonna be looking for a potential reversal back to 2.4 to 2.5, right? So short-term analysis, right? So let's take a look at KNC, BTC. So guys, make sure to join the public Telegram group, link in the description, okay? KNC BTC, it is still on a downtrend, but nice divergence right here, double bottom. You could call it a double bottom, guys. Don't be very picky about not breaking the low. These suckers are pretty crazy. They don't care about your setups, so you might be waiting for it to break the low, right? It will never break it, okay? So I just suck it up, call it a divergence, right? And we're gonna be looking to break this resistance right here, okay? Could even do something like it before retesting the top, right? On the 2-day basis, very accumulative, just like Kusama. When Kusama was not making any noise, like for almost 2 weeks, same thing right here. Okay, same thing. Okay, so nice support above the 21 EMA. So let's see if we're going to be able to break out above 6,000. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at let's go ahead and take a look at chain link. So guys, make sure to hit the likes and also share, right, in your other public Telegram groups. So right here, link, it is still struggling to break above the 100 EMA. So retest of the 21, second retest. So it is still bullish. Okay, next level to look for, really, it is going to be right around like almost 100,000 sats, man. This sucker, oh, 0.011. Okay, yeah, almost 100,000 sats. Right now we at 60,000 sats, right? Remember when link was like you know, right here, guys, 14,000, something like that. Now we talk about 100,000, man. This sucker. Yeah, everything started right here, man. Everything started right here. Everything started right here for link. Everything, man. 14,000 right here. The breakout up to 17,000 retest of it, man. I traded it live. That's why I remember the setup. So let's go ahead and take a look at DOT. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so, right? So you can get access of so DOT, we got a target, we got our target, guys. DOT, we killed it. Okay, so it is one of our most profitable setup right now. Buy range was like $4 to $5, right? You know, targets 26. Okay, you only get these targets from Sun Crypto. You don't get nonsense target. Okay, yes, we did have a short-term target like 15, but after we hit that target, we basically said, guys, sucker is very bullish, so no need to be doing any in and out. Suck it up. We can pump all the way up to 26. So if you bought at $4, guys, right now you're looking at almost like 6 times 4, 24, right? 7. Okay, like 8x your money. Okay, 8x, guys. You only get that from Sun Crypto. All you needed to do is just suck it up. Don't worry about the noise. Don't worry about like DOT moving sideways and all of that good stuff, and you 8x your money. Okay, so right here, DOT next upside target, I think it is gonna break 35, but let's see what we're gonna get at 35. Okay, so because we called it when it was like 17, the 17.7 breakout right here, the bull flag, pretty much similar to the current BTC bull flag right here. That's when we called it, when we were breaking out at 17. Okay, 17.4. We said let's just suck it up. Okay, take it to 26 now, right? At 26 we said let's suck it up and take it to 37, right? So we talk about link. Let's go ahead and take a look at EOS. So I think EOS gonna be big within the next few weeks. I already gave you EOS macro view, so EOS macro view, next target, it is at $12. So, but we're gonna get some tough time to break $5, $6 range, but it is still a good hold all the way up to $12. All right, that's going to be the next macro target for EOS, right? So BLZ, it is our weekly pick. BLZ BTC going to do some great stuff right over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? I know you're gonna be like, man, Sen got those crazy target. Sucker gonna pump so hard you're gonna forget about Kusama, right? And VChain and all of that good stuff. Beautiful setup, short-term target. I'm looking for roughly around here. Okay, let's just eliminate the 700 and look for 600 to 700, right? Okay, let's just say 600 right now. 450. Beautiful setup. Okay, beautiful setup right here. Beautiful setup. Yeah, BTT. I don't know anything about BTT. I don't trade BTT. It's not even on my watch list, but let's see. I don't think it has a BTC pair, so most of the time if you don't have a BTC pair, I might not be looking at you. All right, it doesn't mean like it is a S coin, but all I'm saying is, yeah, the volume is low, man. It's like I can't do anything with this. So guys, sometimes you just have to be cautious. Not just because like a coin is like 1 sats does not mean like it's gonna 1000x, right? So sometimes you want to trade something that has volume, and then you know, you can still buy something that has good volume. I don't know anything about BTC. I don't know what they do. I don't care. But all I'm saying is the volume is low. You can buy something that has volume, and it's gonna pump 2, 3, 4x. You're gonna make some profits out there and still go back buy BTT. But if you take a look at it right now, it looks like it is following the you know, this channel. If we break out right here, the next big resistance, it is almost at 20 sats. So you know, if we get big volume, sucker can take it to the upside, right? Let's take a look at hot. Hello BTC. Maybe Binace has a good volume. Okay, hello BTC. Yeah, hello, it is hello Bnb. It doesn't even have a BTC pair on Binace. So yeah, hello, I think I gave you this setup, right? So let's look for a potential retest. Let's ignore this move because I don't want to anticipate something I'm not sure if we're gonna get it. So let's anticipate another retest of you know, this guy is like 2 sats, like 8 sats right here, right? It's like 0.2 sats, man. I don't know, man. This sucker, man. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Let's look for this 0.8 sats, right? Something like that. 8 sats. I don't think it's 8 sats because it got so many zeros, man. But let's see if like we're gonna retest this resistance, right? Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, right? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the live stream. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, you know, and join my public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium, you can definitely join Send Premium so you can take advantage of the market. When market is dumping, you're not going to be panicking, right? You know exactly what to do. You know exactly how to anticipate the next move to the upside, like a BNB from like a $30 to $175, like a, you know, Neo, you know, from that, you know, $12, $14 right now, over, you know, $40. We're looking for some crazy prices. Litecoin, you're not going to be panicking when we're dropping, okay? So Send Crypto going to give you an update and say, hey guys, let's buy this dips. Okay, let's buy the dip and we're going to take it all the way up to some crazy prices, guys. Only Send Crypto will give you those type of targets, right? BNB right now, you take a look at it right here, it is almost at, right now it is at 168. So target was at 175. So it is still a good hold. I wouldn't be, you know, try to be great right now. Try to sell and buy cheaper and all of that good stuff, right? Let's see. Ethereum still looking good, right? So everything's still looking pretty juicy, right? Everything looks pretty juicy. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.